This video is about do's and don'ts in melt and pour soap. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetic. I'm trying the soap base from Herbs and Organic. They have sent me some samples. They sent me white soap base, that is shea butter soap base, and another one is transparent soap base. Today is soap making day. Happy soap making to all soap makers today all over the world. Always cut your soap bases into small pieces because if you put large soap base and melt it down, it will take a long time to melt down. So always cut down your soap bases into small cubes. Everyone loves to make soaps but wondering how to start. Melt and pour method is an easy place to start because it is easy to make, no hassle, no problems. Everything is your own creativity. You can add things and customize the soap easily. Melt and pour soaps are easy to make and it is an easy gift you can gift and everyone will love soap that is perfectly handmade. This soap base is easy to work. I will test out and share my full review here. This full tutorial is about do's and don'ts in melt and pour soap making. So I'm not measuring the soap base. You can take however you want. Melt the soap base using double boiler method. Herbs and Organics also sent me a red silicone mold to use in this project. You can see. Can we add botanicals in melt and pour soap whether it is fresh or dry? You can see I'm using dried rose petals here and this is walnut shell powder. I'm just sprinkling walnut shell powder little here. After melting down, you can add your fragrance or essential oil. I'm using strawberry fragrance oil with pink color here. To share you why you should not use botanicals, so I'm just pouring the white batter here. Now my white base is getting thicker, so I'm going to remelt it down. We can add the pink batter on the top. I'm measuring out some dark chocolate fragrance oil and caramel fragrance oil here and adding some brown color. Now our clear melt and pour soap is ready, so I am pouring it here and adding a little bit of brown color. Can we use similar brown shades like light brown to dark brown or any color, and how the result will be in the clear base. So I am using the same color. I am making it the brown a little darker compared to the previous one, and you can see while I am pouring down. Pour the dark brown and I am swirling with light brown shade. You can see while unmolding why you should not use the same color. There are some bubbles on the soap top, so I am breaking it with isopropyl alcohol, spraying some on top of it, and it will help us to attach the next layers so the layers won't be separating here. Now the soap batter is getting little thicker, so I thought why not to drizzle and see whether it is sticking on the top or not. So I just drizzled. I have some white batter left and I'm just adding little brown color like a cream shade, and the batter is little thick. This is why you should not add a thick batter in the back. You can't drizzle it. If you want to drizzle, you need something runny so the drizzles will be nice, or else it will be ending like this. Its temperature is important in soap making. Yes, but it also depends. If you are doing plain or layer soaps, it doesn't matter. But if you are doing anything like of spirals, then the temperature is very important. You can see my pink batter is little thick compared to my brown batter. It is runny fluid, but my pink batter is thick. After unmolding the soap, you can see the swirls will be more wispy. Wispy means it will be like big chunk layers. I will unmold and show you how the temperature affects here. Let's leave the soap for 30 minutes. Spray some isopropyl alcohol on the top and we can unmold the soap after 20 or 30 minutes. This is why you should not add your botanicals, it will turn green or brown in your soap. This walnut shell powder looks nice, this is why botanicals are big no. And this is why you can't use the same color, you can't see much differences if you do any kinds of swirls or patterns in clear soap or white soap base. Always use clear soap base and one white soap base to get this kinds of contrast look. And you can see the swirls are not swirls, it is like big chunk layer of pink. This is why temperature is important in swirling. This soap has an amazing lather, you can see. Compared to other melt and pour soap bases I have tried, this has the greatest lather. If you find this video helpful, share with your soap making friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy formulating.